Christina with WTI, and it's that time of year again when my husband only wants to be wearing soft and cozy, snuggly sweaters. He is always on the lookout for not just soft sweaters, but ones that have a really nice pattern to them. And so when he saw this one from Askdeer, he knew he had to have it. This is a beautiful, high quality sweater. It's really well made, and it is a really versatile, nice, classic look, so you can pair it with many different types of pants. My husband often wears button-up dress shirts, and this sweater is such a nice extra layer to wear on top of those. It looks really good over a collared shirt too. And we've noticed that even though this is stretchy, it doesn't get a stretched out look, no matter how many times he wears it. My husband typically wears a size medium. He has a 42-inch chest, and that's the size that we got, and it fits him well. We would say this is true to size. Askdeer has lots of other colors to choose from, so really you could get one to go with every different outfit. My husband and I are both delighted with this sweater, and we think that you will be too, and that's our point of view.